Dear students, in this period, we shall study about how to construct the triangle when the base angle and the difference between the any two sides are given. You have already studied about two types of construction when the sum of the triangle is given, sum of the two sides given and perimeter is given. So now here I am taking a problem. So draw a AB equal to 8 centimeter. Draw a AB equal to 8 centimeter. So first point is A, then second point is B, and given that in the problem at angle A construct an angle 40 degree. So I am constructing an angle at 40 degree, angle at A 40 degree. So now join that point and produce. Now the difference between the sides AB and BC is given 4 centimeter. Sorry, CA and CB is given 4 centimeter. CA and CB is given 4 centimeter. So therefore, cut that at 4 centimeter. Cut that at 4 centimeter. So now that point is D. So now join AD, join BD, join BD. Now draw the perpendicular bisector to BD. So by taking more than half of DB, draw an arc as shown above DB and below. Above and below. Cut that arc. Cut that arc. Cut that arc from B with same radius. Cut those arc from B same radius. Now we get two intersection point. Now we get two intersection points. That intersection point one be let X and another be Y. Join XY. Join XY. And produce XY. And produce XY. And similarly produce AD so that they intersect at a point that is C. That is C. Now join BC. Now BC and DC are equal. So AD is extra 4 centimeters. So therefore now AC and AC minus BC gives 4 centimeter. So therefore we are constructing isosceles triangle on BD. So that is the principle behind here. So now the required triangle is ABC. So this is the construction of the triangle when the difference between the two sides of a triangle are given. So this is, I think you can understand. Try to construct, and I will give one more problem as an activity. Take that one. PQ equal to 10 centimeter, and angle Q and angle Q equal to 50 degree. Angle Q equal to 50 degree. And RP minus RQ equal to RP minus RQ equal to 4 centimeter. Construct a triangle PQR. Construct a triangle PQR. Listen carefully and try to understand and try to construct one. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet on the next class.